Problem 11, this table shows a recent state tax income for individuals filing return. And we're going to write a piecewise definition for the tax due on the income of X dollars. So that's going to look like T of X equals, and then we're going to define the different functions based on the taxable income. Okay, so the first portion of this function is incomes between 0 and 20,000. For those incomes, it's 4% of the taxable income. So 4% as a decimal, move the decimal over twice, it's 0.04. So we're just going to take the taxable income X and multiply by 0.04. So that's the first part of this piecewise function, 0.04 multiplied by the income X. And that's for incomes that are between 0 and 20,000. So that's the condition we write for X, 0 less than or equal to X less than or equal to 20,000. Okay, because that's the tax function for incomes between those amounts. But for taxable income above 20,000, the tax that's due is just slightly more complicated. It's 800 plus 6% of the excess that's over 20,000. So the way we write that is we write 800 plus, now 6% is 0.06. Sorry, my 800 looks like 806. Should just be 800. Plus 0.06 times the excess over 20,000. Now the way we write the excess over 20,000 is we take the total income and we subtract 20,000. Okay. Think about if the total income was $20,001, we subtract the 20,000 to get the excess is just $1 over 20,000. So that's why we do this subtraction here. Okay. But this isn't quite the function we want to write into our T of X function. We want a function to write here for the incomes that are above 20,000. But first, let's simplify this function here. Okay. We would do that by distributing 0.06, so 0.06x, and then we need to multiply 0.06 times 20,000. That's 1,200. Okay, so we have 800 plus 0.06x minus 12,000. That would be 0.06x, and then we'd combine these two to get minus 400. So for incomes that are above 20,000, the function that defines the tax is 0.06x minus 400.